I keep it. When I go up, keep an eye out.
And see? Are you coming to surf? You still know how? I haven't seen you for a while. I thought you just were like always doing business with me.
I have been busy, but you know, when Mary's in, I like to come in.
Me too.
I've been gone for 2 days. I was in Montreal.
Oh yeah?
I've been gone for 2 days.
My son lives in Regatta. Races. No, doing. It's far out there, eh?
Is it further than last time I saw it?
It's good, but it's like it's out like 15 feet.
All that walls.
I think the only good way on now is high and in the cove. It's like far to go under the now. Maybe you're a super good swimmer.
I haven't. I'm going shy of this boat.
I don't think I can swim.